Ayun siya sa dulo. Ayun o, ayun o. Ayun o, feel na feel! Sigo ako. Ayan o, oh. Wala sa dulo! Wala sa dulo! Oh my God! Wala siya lang. Bawal daw pala yung kasama talaga. Kasi ito, talent. Ayun siya, oh.
Next by elimination round, junior players, Pilipinas.
Ada ko. Wala ko makita.
First five players na may tamang sagot. Pasok na sa next round. The categories are 2008 Golden Globe Best Actor nominees. Names of actors that nominated for Best Actor in a Drama, Comedy, or Musical sa recent Golden Globe Awards. Full names pero ang first name ay dapat tugma sa napiling letra. FDR Presidential meaning ng letters na bubuo sa initials ng FDR. Batibot, main human characters. Names ng main human characters. Batibot. The title of Kuya or Ate may be disregarded. Time Magazine's Person of the Year or Person of the Year nationalities. Nationalities ng mga nahirang na man or Person of the Year ng Time Magazine since 1990. Example, Polish. Ninoy Aquino sibling. First or popular nickname ng mga kapatid ni Benigno Ninoy Aquino Jr. Breaded pork chop ingredients. Names ng ingredients.
Minsan lang ito.
Everyone recipe. Live free or die hard main cast. Lead stars in 2017.
Wait lang, baby ba? Baby.
Ay dapat
Oh!
stroke scores in goal. Specific research for stroke scores sa labang goal. Example, or double goal. Journey hit song. Full titles of songs ng rock band The Journey na nakasama sa top 10 ng US Hot 100 charts. At yun lang po. Kaya good luck sa inyo, kamay tindig. Mata sa board. First category, please. Live free or die hard main cast. Nagsisimula sa letter B. Cecil.
Bruce Willis.
That's correct.
Wait lang, baby.
Time Magazine Person of the Year nationalities. Nagsisimula sa letter A. Rowan. You got it. Correct. Next category. FDR presidential meeting. Ano po ang ibig sabihin ng letter R?
Ano ba?
Ryan. Roosevelt. That's correct. Next category.
UL!
First in gold, nagsisimula sa letter B. Coco. R. Correct.
Oh my God! Gusto ka, alam mo, macho. Ay, sorry. Oo, sorry.
Person of the Year nationalities.
Hindi, no.
Go.
Wait lang, baby, wait lang. Ay, napapagpag nakakanta na sila, oh.